Hello, my name is Antonio Cruz. I'm excited to share with you the application I built as a part of recent code challenge. During this presentation, I guide you through the application functionalities and features, giving you a comprehensive tour of how it works. Afterwards, I'll take 5 to 10 minutes to explain the development process, highlighting how I utilized .NET 8 and Angular 18 to bring this project to life. So let's go to the products. Here we have list of products, and if you can see the first these first six columns on top, they do have a filter icon. So what I did, I extend this Angular material table to include OData filter. So let me show you what it does. So if I come here, product, the column product is a string, so it shows me list of the string filters that apply to products column. Let me start with the start with, and I want to filter everything that starts with the letter G and apply. And I want to combine product filter with the quantity per unit. So I want to filter both columns. So I can come here and said, give me everything that starts with the kg, for example. Not start, but contain kg. And next, I want to filter using unit price. Unit price is a numeric column, so the list is different. So here it says equals, no equals to, greater, greater than or equals to, less than or less than or equals to. So these are a list of things. So I want to display all the prices which is greater than 15. Again, so as you can see, I combine all the three columns to string columns and the numerical columns for filtering. Now let me include another one. So I want to display here everything that is greater than 15 as well. And next, I want to filter unit on order, which is equals to 0. And I want to filter reorder level equals to 15. So I have 6 columns that I combine all those 6 filters, send them to OData, and OData send me the result. Let me take this opportunity to show you the order query. Order query as well is a Angular material table that I extended. So, but the reason I want to show this is dates. So I want to be able to filter by date. And let me move, let me see greater than or equals to. I want to go to January, the 1st of January, and apply it filter. So if I move to last page, as you can see, we have the date there that shows 1st of January. The other thing, I want to combine the filter here with, for example, different shipping country, USA. Then apply the filter just to show me. And I want to include a numeric greater than 20. And as you can see, the key aspect of the code challenge was to extend functionality of Angular material table to support OData filter. My goal was to enable combination of multiple filters using OData, which provide a powerful and sophisticated way to query and manipulate data. This approach allows high flexibility and efficient filtering of OData display in Angular material table, making it easy to handle complex query requirements. Okay, let's go with the categories. So these are list of categories. This is the basic Angular material table, no extension. The main reason I use this is to show when I show you the code, you will see that this is a basic table just as it is from Angular material. I have include this menu on the right hand side. They're not functional at the moment. Let's move next to the category list. These are category lists, so I can change item per page 10, get all the list. This maximum items that they have on the list is 8. So, and I can select this and to display the details of the category. And next one is this category with the products. On the left hand side we have category, on the right hand side we have products. So I can select and say show me list of products, so I can see the list of products related to that category. And again, so I can say, and here we have the list of products related to this category. So I can open this, and as you can see, these are the top is category, and at the bottom is the product of is the list of products related to the category. I use this. The main reason this is displaying the data is just using OData query to go to the API and bring this information to the screen. At the moment, these two buttons do not work, so the save button is not functional, cancel button is okay. Okay, now let me show you the other part. The idea is to be able to translate, make sure that users can understand the language. So let's say if a Spanish user wants to use this application and they feel very easy using Spanish, so they can select the application. Now this application is converted into Spanish language. So as you can see, the categories and products. So now if you can see the columns on top, the name, all the name and the name on top are translated in Spanish. And if we go to the orders as well, the orders are translated in Spanish. And if we go to categories, as you can see, it's all translated in Spanish. Yeah, and as you can see, the names are translated. Again, if I want to change this to French, as you can see, it's been translated into French. Yeah, these are in the top columns are in French, the name there is in French, products, all the names are translated in French. Okay, here we have charts. On the top we do have values from last year. At the bottom we do have from this year. There's a query that executes at the back end to bring the value to the front end, but we are not using it because most of the value are cache, so we cache this value at the front end, so there's no necessity for the application to go back to go to the back end to request this data, because some of them are changed not so frequently, so that's why we cache it at the front end. But there is an opportunity to, for example, I had a couple of buttons in here. For example, I can select I can select a grains. So as you can see, the value change. If I select dairy products, so as you can see, dairy product value change. What this is doing, this is calling signal value, a signal endpoint, and signal just getting the increasing the value of the cells, and then return the total number of items that we see on the chart.